Hello again. So this is Teacher Mao, and today we're going to discuss about the higher order derivatives. So higher order derivative is a successive derivative of a function. It basically means finding derivative of a derivative. So we have here example. So number one, if we have the given y is equal to 3x 5 minus 2x, then find the fourth derivative. So we'll have 3x raised to 5 minus 2x. So the derivative of this is 5 times 3 is equals to 15 minus then exponent 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus the derivative of 2 negative 2x is 2. So for y raised to the power of 2 is so 15 times 4, so we will get 60x, then 4 minus 1 is 3, so 60x cubed. For the y raised to 3 is equal to uh, 3 times 60 is 180, then negative 3 minus 1 is 2, so 180 x raised to 2. Then the fourth derivative is 2 times 180 is 360. Then 2 minus 1 is x. So that's why the fourth derivative of 3x raised to 5 minus 2x is 360x. So number 2 is find the third derivative if we have the given y is equal to the quantity of 3x minus 2 and x plus 5. So the derivative of this is y prime is equal to 3x minus 2 times 1 plus x plus 5 times 3 is equal to 6x plus 13. So the derivative of 6x is the second derivative of this is 6x. Then the third derivative, which is the 6, is 0. So the third derivative of the quantity of 3x minus 2 and x plus 5 is 0. So for our activity, we have here two items only. So number one is find the seventh derivative of f of x, x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4. So the f of 1, the first derivative of this is 6x5 minus 5x4 plus 4x cubed. So the derivative of this is, the second derivative is 30x fourth minus 20x cubed plus 12x squared. Then the third derivative of this is 120x cubed minus 60x squared plus 24x. Then the fourth derivative of this is 360x squared 360x squared minus 120x. Then the fifth derivative of this is 720x minus 120. Then the sixth derivative is 720. Then the seventh derivative is 0. So the seventh derivative of the given function which is the x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 is 0. So here, number 2 is find the fifth derivative of um, y is equal to 2x fourth minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 5. So the derivative of first derivative of this is 8x cubed minus 9x squared plus 2. Next is the second derivative is 3 times 8, 24x, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus the 2 minus 9, 2 times 9 rather is negative 18x, then 2 minus 1 is 1. So the third derivative is 24 times 2, 48. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 48x minus 18. The fourth derivative is 48 and the fifth derivative is 0. So that's all for higher order derivatives.